Good morning, dear students. Hope you understood the previous classes of long division methods of number system. Now we will be seeing about the zero roots of the polynomial. Zero root of the polynomial. The first problem we will see that verify whether the indicated numbers are zeros of the polynomial corresponding to them in the following cases. Verify whether the indicated numbers are zeros of the polynomials corresponding to them in the following cases. The first one, f of x is equal to 3x plus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So we have to check it out whether this particular polynomial is zero root polynomial. So we will solve it out. Wherever x is there, you have to substitute the x value. So f of x you have to replace by minus 1 by 3. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. You will get an answer minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a zeros of the polynomials. I will take the second one. F of x is equal to x square minus 1 comma x is equal to 1 minus 1. So this is the second one. So you have for the x two values. So first we will find for the first one, x is equal to 1. F of x is equal to 1 square minus 1. You get an answer 0. So this is okay. It is a zero polynomial. But when you take the second one, f of x, the second one is x is equal to minus 1. So f of x is equal to minus 1 square minus 1. So you get an answer 0. So both are satisfying the condition as zeros. So it is, yes, it is a zero polynomial. So we will see the next problem. G of x is equal to 3x square minus 2, where x is equal to 2 divided by root 3 comma minus 2 divided by root 3. So we will solve this one. We will substitute wherever x is there. So x is equal to 2 by root 3. So just put wherever x is there, 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 divided by root 3 the whole square minus 2 is equal to 3 into 4 divided by 3 minus 2. So this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. So you will have 4 minus 2, which is 2. So this is not equal to 0. We will take the second one. X is equal to minus 2 by root 3. So minus 2 divided by root 3 is equal to 3 into minus 2 divided by root 3 the whole square minus 2. So you get 3 into 4 divided by 3. So since it's a minus, it becomes plus by squaring a minus 2. So this will cut off and you get an answer 2, which is not equal to 0. So both are not equal to 0. Therefore it is not a zero of the polynomial. So it is not a zero of the polynomial. Answer is no. Okay, dear students, hope you might have understood the basic till now. Thank you for watching and thank you. Thank you.